Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're navigating the crypto world in 2025 and need to move your Tether, USDT, from Bitrue to Coinbase Wallet, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and securely, whether you're diversifying your investments or just managing your funds. Let's dive in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a verified account on both Bitrue and Coinbase Wallet. You'll also need some USDT in your Bitrue wallet and the exact address of your Coinbase wallet handy. Remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. This is where you'll see your holdings, including your USDT. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option next to your USDT balance. Select USDT, and then choose the right network. TRC20 is often the fastest and cheapest for Tether transfers in 2025, but confirm what's available. Step 3. Enter your Coinbase wallet address carefully. This is crucial. One wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place. If you're using the Coinbase app, you can copy the address directly from there. Step 4. Input the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be sure to check the transaction fees and estimated time. It might vary based on network congestion. Once you're ready, review all the details and confirm the withdrawal. After initiating the transfer, Bitrue will process it, and you'll get a confirmation email. Now, head over to your Coinbase wallet. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to appear, depending on the network. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If something goes wrong, contact support immediately. There you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Bitrue to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.